Choo-choo, here comes the train, rolling fast down the track again. All aboard, come count with me, 1 to 10 so happily. Oh, one little monkey climbs inside, swinging his tail, what a ride. Off the kittens, soft and sweet, purring as they find a seat. Cool. Bouncy puppies wag their tails, barking loud with happy wails. Bright parrots slap and cheer, squawking toot-toot loud and clear. Bubbles floating, blub blub sound, wiggling noses 1, 2, 3. 7 little ducks quack-quack away, splashing water as they play. 8 silly frogs with big wide eyes, Ribbit, Ribbit, Ribbit leaping high. Oh! We knock it down again. 10 bright balloons float up so high, coloring the bright blue sky. The train rolls on, we've reached the end. Let's go back and count again.